Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our keyboard is not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going first to our settings. So since we can't use our keyboard, we will be just using our touchpad. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the settings option. And once you're already in the settings, please go to the left pane and then you will see there the accessibility option. So please make a click on that and then scroll down a little bit and you will get this keyboard option under the interaction section. So please make a click on that, sticky filter and toggle keys, and on screen keyboard. So here you will be seeing filter keys. Please make sure that you set this to on or you turn this on. Set the sensitivity of the keyboard so it can ignore brief or repeated keystrokes. So all you need to do is just to select this arrow here. And once you have already turned this on, all you need to do is just to make or turn these options also on. Keyboard shortcut for filter keys. Show the filter keys icon on the taskbar. Beep when keys are pressed or accepted. And you can also turn on all of these options here, like ignore quick keystrokes or slow keys, the bounce keys, and the repeat keys. So it's up to you. And after doing this changes, all you need to do is just to close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. Once you're back, please make sure or please see if the keyboard is now working. And if it's still not working, then we will be going now to the device manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then select the device manager option. In the device manager window, all you need to do is just to go to the keyboards option there, this one. And once you click or double click on that, it will be expanded, showing you the keyboard driver that you have in your device. So please make a right click on that and then we will be clicking now the update driver option. So if you're connected with an internet connection, please select first the search automatically for drivers. And once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we can now click on this back arrow key here and we will select the browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list, and then here you will be shown with the compatible hardware driver versions that you have there in your device. All you need to do is just to select the driver version that is not yet selected and then click on the next option there, and then it will start installing the driver. And the moment you receive the notification that Windows has successfully updated the driver, then you can now close this window as well as this one and just make a quick restart again with your device. After the restart, see now if you have already or you can already type in your keyboard and the keyboard is now working. And if it's still not working, then we can do another method, which is to go again with your settings. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then select the settings option. So here we will now be going to the system option and then make a scroll. We will be going with the troubleshooting option here. Recommend troubleshooters preferences and history. So please make a click on that and proceed with other troubleshooters option. Here you will be seeing either from the most frequent section or other section the keyboard option. So if you have that keyboard option, simply click on the run button there and then it will start detecting and diagnosing the problem. So it will also troubleshoot for you and fix the problem automatically. Once you're done with this one, make a quick restart again with the device, and if it doesn't still fix the problem, then proceed with the Windows update and try to update or download all the pending downloads and installing process that you need to do or download in your device. And after the update, just make a quick restart again with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we can now close again this window. Again, we will be going to the device manager. So please make a right click again on the Windows icon and then proceed with device manager option. Here we need to go and try with the action tab. So you will click on the action tab. And then once you have done that, we will look for, it's a view tab, not action tab, it's view tab. We will be going with show hidden devices first. So please click on that and then see if the keyboard option or keyboard option or driver here appears. And if it doesn't, then please go to action tab and then click on scan for hardware changes. Once you do that, please see now if the keyboard option or driver appears or is showing, and please try to type on your keyboard if it works. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye.